Edna Snow picked a different town in Abruzzo to realize her retirement dream, sleepy Torricella Peligna. I have to tell you, two of my favorite things in the world are tomatoes and dogs, and you've got a lot here.
Aren't they beautiful?
This is really the dream,
Yeah.
the dream of Italy. As a divorcee whose children are grown up, Edna felt she had little tying her to the United States and began to hear about the allure and affordability of Abruzzo.
It was on my bucket list. I wanted to be fluent in another language. I wanted to live in another country. So, so I'm really studying hard to learn Italian. I try to talk to the people in town. Nobody can really understand me yet, but I'm getting there.
What is it about Abruzzo, of all the places you could live really in the world, that attracted you, that made you come here and look for a house?
I'm 30 minutes from the beach. I'm 30 minutes from the mountains. I can go cross-country skiing up in the mountains, but I can get to the beach in no time. And, it's like the new Tuscany. So you can get more bang for your buck here. Just everything's, less expensive here. I mean, and the health insurance, is, I paid, and I got the platinum policy, and it was €1,000 for a year. And Italy has one of the top healthcare systems in the world.
Edna bought a 3-bedroom house with a guest cottage and plenty of land for gardening and relaxing, all for under €250,000, or less than $290,000 at the time. Tell me about the process of looking for a house to buy. How is it different here in Italy?
Well, here, one agent cannot show you houses that's listed with another agent. So I booked 4 different agents, 4 different real estate companies here, and then they showed me, different houses that they had, available. And this was the 16th house I looked at. It was the last house I looked at. I saw it and I went, this is it. Been very busy.
Oh my God, look at all the passata.
I've canned over 100 jars of passata, tomato sauce. I've done pickles. I've done, blackberry jam. And it's quiet and it's peaceful, but yet I can get on a plane and be in Paris, in an hour and a half. It's got everything.
A dog lover like me, Edna brought her dog Atticus with her from the U.S.
I decided that he needed a companion, so I asked a friend of mine, she's an expat here. She was rescuing a cat from this rescue. And I said, well, ask the rescue lady if she might know, of a dog. And so she said, Mimi, who's had a very sad life. She's been in a kennel for her whole life.
I know there's a lot of stray dogs and cats here in Italy, and when they end up in a kennel, they often end up there for life. So to adopt one is great.
Behind my house, there's nothing. It's just, fields and farmlands, and we can just walk for miles back there, and it's great for them because, like I said, don't have to have them on a leash, and it's so beautiful because the views are just incredible.
Edna's advice for Americans moving to Italy? Have patience and an appetite for trying new things.
You have to absorb into the culture. So, the saying around here, piano, piano, things work differently here. You gotta be, patient with that. So many people kept going, you're so brave to go there by yourself. And I was like, no, it's just an adventure. That's the way I look at it.
Now, have you been on a Vespa since you've been here?
I have not. That's on the bucket list.
Well, I think I know some guys that could take us for a ride.
That would be great.
All right, let's go. Since 1946, the Vespa has been zipping around Italy and the world. Thanks to Corradino D'Ascanio, an engineer from the town of Popoli, who designed the iconic moped. Today, we are joining the Popoli Vespa Club for a trip to the San Callisto vineyard of Valle Reale, a noteworthy producer of the region's renowned Montepulciano d'Abruzzo wine. Beautiful day, una bella giornata.
Allora facciamo un bel brindisi alla Vespa.
Sì.
Viva l'Abruzzo!
Viva
la
l'Abruzzo!
Vespa!
Viva la Vespa!
Sì.